Hi, my name is Victoria Sear. I'm a registered nurse, and today we're going to put my skills to the test. We are going to do a split face treatment, one side with the Beauty Booster device and one side with manual injections, and we will see what's going to happen. So we just completed doing the Beauty Booster injections on the left side of the patient's face. As you can see, there's quite a difference. On the right side, there's not as many bleps superficially, so it doesn't seem like as effective of a treatment compared to the other side where you can very clearly see the product that's been superficially placed and is currently sitting in the superficial dermis waiting to slowly get absorbed and produce collagen. So you can also tell what a more of a consistent pattern of these dots and distribution of product, as well as the amount. All the bumps are the same size, whereas if you look on this side, here there's some bumps, here you can't see any. I did my absolute best to inject in the exact same depth and the exact same amount and the same distribution, but it's very clear that on this side of the face, there's a much more even distribution of product. In addition, on the right side where I did the manual injections, it took me approximately 6 cc's in order to blanket the face. I found I was injecting as little as possible with the syringe, but I wasn't able to blanket the entire face with only half a syringe or 1.5 cc's. Whereas with the Beauty Booster device, as you can see, I've used exactly half a syringe, which is 1.5 cc's because this is a 3 cc syringe, to blanket the half of the face. So now I have another half if I wanted to do the other side of the face. So I used less product, but I was able to use the product more efficiently on the patient's face. So Vero, how would you describe the feeling and the way the treatment felt on the right side compared to the left side?
I would have had a really hard time for you to do my whole face with the manual injection. Whereas with the injection device, it's so quick that it's a lot easier.
So because the right side of the face took approximately 20 minutes for the manual injections, whereas the left side of the face with the Beauty Booster took only about 5 or 6 minutes. This is beneficial for the patient and the practitioner. I get to book a much smaller window, so I get to see a lot more patients. I could see 2 patients in the time that it would take me to see 1 patient doing manual injections. Also, when you have such a long procedure that is relatively uncomfortable or painful, I feel like it's less likely for the patient to come back and do the procedure again. But when you can do a procedure like this in 15 minutes and get the patient in and out with minimal discomfort, they're much more likely to book and come back again.